As you can see, someone is trying to break into this house this very minute. Luckily, one of my people installed here just last week a Visonic alarm and surveillance system, so the police should be here right about now. I could go on and on about this great broadband home control solution, like the advanced network cameras, the optional GPRS backup, the safety detectors. Sorry, I get excited when I talk about it. The nice thing is that the monitoring company is now also excited about me installing Visonic. At first, I thought it was all because of the reliable solutions and the advanced technologies. The IPMP receiver platform that can manage tens of thousands of supervised accounts, the optional end-user message dispatcher, and the super fast broadband video alarm verification. But then, I discovered something more. Apparently, Visonic does not charge any extra monthly service costs when using their IPMP platform. They consider themselves a partner, not a provider. No wonder the monitoring companies love them. They increase their ROI. Now, I don't really care about all that. All I know is that they supply me with the Visonic Unique PowerMax Surveillance Quick Fit Kit, where all components are pre-enrolled and pre-configured. This boils down to, as they say, a revolutionary zero-effort installation, cutting installation time in more than half. And that's for a broadband system. Imagine my shocked and delighted customers when we leave their homes so quickly. Also, now I need half the amount of workers, and training them? Piece of cake. Just like making the transition to a Visonic solution. And FYI, the Surveillance Quick Fit Kit can easily be expanded to provide additional web service such as virtual keypad, but that's for your conversation with a Visonic rep. It's none of my business who you do business with and if you like paying extra costs for nothing. All I'm saying is check it out.
Visonic, for a secure way of life.
Visonic took my business where I wanted it to be.